Alright, so I built a 3-bit adder. Just I'm going to show you how it works. Well, to understand it, you have to understand binary, because it all works in binary. I didn't make a pretty interface for it or anything. So this is just a quick little chart so that I can remember what the numbers are. So, like computers, they only see things as ones and zeros. So that's how the binary calculator works. To add 4 plus 4, it adds 100 plus 100. But really, the computer sees it as 100 plus 100. But then it would come out with 1000. Anyway, so basically it just goes just like regular addition, except you only have two different numbers. So 0 plus 0 equals 0, 1 plus 0 equals 1. Then 1 plus 1 is a little bit different, because then it equals 0, but then you carry the 1 up to the top. So it's kind of like if you had 5 plus 7, then you take the 2, then you carry the 1 up, and then you add it to the next column. That's what it does with this, except it's all ones and zeros. So over here I made a 1-bit calculator just to show you an example. Here's A and B, so your two inputs that are going to be added together, and then the sum, and then the carry out value. So if you click either one of them, then the sum's going to be 1, or true in this case. So either one of them will make the sum be 1, and there will be no carry out value. But now if both of them are clicked, then the sum is 0, because it's the direct one beneath it, and then the carry out value is just 1. So that's the one that goes to the next column. I'll show you guys what I mean with it actually working. So this is where the output's displayed in binary. So then here's just 1. Think of it as 001 plus 001, and then so that gives you 2 in binary, because 2 is 10, as you can see there. So let's pick, like, say 3 plus 6. So 3 is 001, and 6 is 110. Okay, so 3 plus 6 is 9, which is 1001, in which there's the answer. So, and that works with all of it. Say if you do 7 plus 7, then you'll get 14, which is 1110, as you can see over here. Now, the reason why I built this was so that I can count minecarts as they go in, and then it'll subtract as they go out, so we can keep track of how many are coming and going. Right now, the highest that this can add up to is 7 plus 7. That's just because it's only a 3-bit. I didn't have the time to do the rest of it today. I only got a couple hours to work on it. So eventually I could make it bigger, because all this is 3 of these things, because you can start with the inputs, and then the sum goes into the first column along with the inputs, and then the carry out just goes to the next adder. And then the last adder, that carry out value, goes to the next column. So if there is one that carries over, then it will be in the last column, just like normal addition. So it's really not that complicated, but if you want to figure out how to get it to work, then you can just Google 1-bit adder, and then you can try to put them together on your own. But it's not too bad. See ya.